All right. So today we will discuss about C sharp major. Keys of C sharp major are C sharp, D sharp, F, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C, then C sharp. Fingering for right hand. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. For double octave, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Similarly for the left hand, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. For double octave, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. For both hand. Contrary motion.